enjoyed that vlog type of intro. I ended up only going to 2 places. I was supposed to go to 3, and yeah, here in Australia we call them op shops or like secondhand stores, and I know in America it's usually like thrift stores or something like that. But yeah, so I went to the Smiths Family and I went to Salvos, as you saw, and I got 2 shirts from the Smiths Family and 1 pair of pants, and then 2 shirts from Salvos and 1 pair of pants. I didn't plan it out like that. I actually was going to get more stuff, but a lot of the stuff I looked at and just thought, do I really need it, or do I really like it, or am I actually going to wear it? But anyway, I'm just going to do a little bit of a try on haul, but first I'm going to show you everything I got, and then I'm going to try everything on. So the first shirt that I got from the Smiths Family was this shirt. I got it because I love red. I love the black and the white with the red together. And I also really, really love this zipper. I love zippers that have like the circle kind of thing there. I don't know what brand this is. It says it's made in, I'll just put the spelling of this place, country, state, because I don't know how to pronounce that at all, but Descente, I don't know, that's what the brand is, but I don't really know. I just thought it was kind of cool, you know, like that racer kind of style is in now, but that doesn't mean why I just got it. I just like it because I love the red and how vibrant it is. But yeah, so there's that. And also this shirt was about like $4, so yeah, there's that. Then I got this shirt. I just looked at this shirt and I just thought it was the cutest thing. I don't even know, but it's like this little collar polo shirt. I think that's what it's called. I don't know. It's got this little watermelon on the tag. If any of you guys know this brand, it's actually made in Thailand. Yeah, that's what it says right there. And it's actually a large. I'm pretty sure this is supposed to be like a kid's shirt or something like that. And on this side it says this. I'm not going to try to pronounce anything because, you know, I don't want to mess up the pronunciation of anything. But it's just this really cute peach color, and it has a watermelon there with the exact same lettering. So yeah, there's this, and it sits on me like a crop top, so yeah. Also, this shirt was about $4 as well. So then I have these pants. These are the ones I got from the Smiths Family. They're a bit tight, but that's okay. They're size 14, and the waist is just a little loose on me, but like everything else fits. And so yeah, these are just cargo camo pants. Yeah. Pretty sure these were either in the men's or the boys section. I'm not sure. I can't really remember, and these are about like $8, so yeah, and they are also brand new, so yeah. So now for the stuff I got at Salvos. I got this white plain shirt. I've been needing a white plain shirt, and this one's just like the kind of elasticy material. This was about $4, and yeah, it's just size 12. I got it in a size larger so that I'd be able to like tie it up at the front, because I don't have any white shirts that I can do that with. But yeah, there's just that. The next shirt I got is this Arrow USA 1851. I'm pretty sure this is like some American brand, but I got this shirt and it's like the peach colored shirt. I just thought it was so cute. It's like a crop top on me as well, and yeah, it's just got this really cute stripe pattern, and then on the chest area it's got this A with like a reef kind of thing going around. It's not really a reef, but you get what I mean. But yeah, there's that, and this was $4 as well. The last thing I got was were these super high-waisted skinny jeans. I've been needing some really high-waisted skinny jeans that were black. I'm not a fan of jeans, but I do really like these ones. These are from Factory, so I got them straight away because I love the brand Factory and they have really nice clothes, but this also fitted me really nice, and it was only $6, which is amazing because their jeans tend to be like, not pricey, but definitely more than $6, so yeah. there's that, and now I'm just going to try on everything. So yeah, there's this shirt. I can't tell if I love this shirt or if I hate this shirt. I really wish that this wasn't here. But yeah, I really love the zipper and I really love the shade of red. It's just, I don't know how I'm gonna wear this shirt. That's the only thing. But yeah, just leave your suggestions down below so then I know. But yeah, so it fits nice everywhere. It's just, I don't know how I'm gonna wear it, but yeah. So then there is this shirt, and that's the little watermelon on it. I just think this shirt is so cute. You may disagree with me and you may think, no, I don't like that shirt at all, but this, it looks a bit like formalized with this collar here, but if you wear it with like some high-waisted shorts, which is what I am wearing it with now, then it really kind of like, you know, casualizes it. That's a word. But yeah, so there's this. So then there's this shirt, which is very similar to the peach one. And I'd wear this like how I said I would wear the other one, with high-waisted shorts like I'm doing now. But yeah, this one is, I don't know, it has like a collar that sticks out more. But I still really like it and I still really think it's cute, and I really love this little A on the corner here. So yeah, there's this shirt. So then there is this shirt, not tied up or anything, but I will tie it up now. So this is what it looks like tied up. I just really wanted a white shirt to tie up, and I don't know, some people when they tie up shirts, they kind of like tuck the knot in, so then it's just like that. But I don't know, I don't really mind the knot, but I don't know, it's up to you. But yeah, I like this shirt. It's just plain and simple, and it's good to have just for, you know, your basics. So it's a bit weird showing the pants. I don't know, I just find it weird personally. Personal preferences, just, it's a bit odd for me. Like, it's too much for YouTube. I don't know. It's probably, you're probably thinking no, but like, for me, yeah. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you want to see more videos like this, just let me know, because I'm more than happy to make videos like this. But yeah, it's something different and it's got a different type of vibe to it. But just let me know if you like it, and let me know what your favorite clothing piece is. As I said, I didn't really feel comfortable showing the pants because it's like, I don't know, I'm not gonna do that on YouTube online, you know. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!